This 2022 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 333 Rets is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 36 feet 7 inches in length and features Sleep 6, TV antenna, Skylight, Slideout, microwave, stovetop burner, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, TV, smoke detector, LP detector, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear entertainment, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 333 Rets is 8,628 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.